Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. Today we will start our chapter Agriculture in India. In this chapter, we will learn about crops like Rabi and Kharif crops. What is the importance of agriculture in our country and type of crops like cereals, pulses, and cash crop. So let's start. Children, agriculture or farming refers to cultivation of land to produce crop. Agriculture also include horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing also. So fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate and availability of natural resources have made India an agriculture country. These all things are very important because of good cropping, fertile land, good rainfall, tropic climate and availability of natural resources. India is one of the largest agriculture country in the world. All of you know that agriculture is the most important occupation of the people here because 60% people, almost 60% of our working people or population is engaged in agriculture and related occupation. So our country is essentially an agriculture country because 60% people are engaged in agriculture and 40 are others. So our country is essentially an agriculture country. Proper means of irrigation, modern facilities, improved variety of seeds, fertilizers and pesticides have helped in the growth of different crops. These are very important. Good irrigation, modern facilities, variety of seeds and fertilizer. These are the pillar of the important and good crop. So these are very important for us. Children, do you know between 1960 to 1983, after independence, 1960 to 1983, India's food production increased 3 times because of the increased use of fertilizer and machines in agriculture. So that's why this period is called Green Revolution, because this is the main target of that time to make our agriculture improved. Next one is crops and seasons. Children, since our agriculture, now children, our next topic is crops and seasons. Since our agriculture is mainly depend on monsoon rains, we have two major seasons for growing crop. The first one is Kharif season and second one is Rabi season. Kharif season begins at the start of the monsoon when seeds are sown in the fields. These crops are ready for harvesting in October and November. Rice, millets, jute, maize, and cotton are Kharif crops. Now next one is Rabi crop. Rabi season begins in October and continues through winter month. The Rabi crops include wheat, gram, barley and oil seeds. So these are Rabi crops. Now children, next topic is types of crops. Indian crops can divided into three groups. First is cereals, pulses, and cash crops. And now we will talk about cereals. What are cereals? These includes crop like rice, millets, maize, and wheat. Children, do you know rice is grown in monsoon season as it needs plenty of water? These includes crop like rice, millets, maize, and major rice producing states are Assam, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra. And the wheat is a major crop which is sown in winter and reaped in summer season like March and April. It needs cool temperature and moderate rainfall. Most of the wheat crops is obtained from Punjab and Haryana. Some part of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also grown wheat. Now next one is millet. Millets such as jowar, bajra, and ragi are also grown in the monsoon season. These are edible seed and are called dry crops. They are grown in soil of poor quality, where the quality of soil is not good. So we call this poor quality soil. Part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat